Dotson guys here from MarineMax Charleston, here to showcase our new 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. We've got this one in the optional tan color with the tweed accent canvas up top and the black rub rail. This boat's fully equipped with the a proper galvanized trailer with a breakaway tongue and disc brakes. We're going to take you guys on inside and show you the rest of the features. Alright, now we're in the back of the boat here. Wanted to showcase this large swim platform across the back. You have full accessibility across the port and starboard. This boat has the optional 150 upgrade on it, ski pylon standard, as well as a 4-step ladder there on the transom. Huge entry. Nice and easy to get in when you're in the water. You've got your battery access as well as a removable cooler right here in the back for your walk through. I'm going to step on in here to the boat and show you the rest of the cockpit. Alrighty, now we're up in the cockpit. We've got the optional 5-inch SIMRAD display here in the dash that gives you your GPS, your sound depth, it gives you everything you would need to go boating. We've got the new Fusion head unit. This is new for the new 2019 models. Adjustable tilt wheel, pivoting bucket chairs on both port and starboard. We've also got the dune color interior, so it's a new color this year for Sea Ray. Nice dark stitching. We also have a glove box over here on the port side. Big dry storage where we've got the boat cover storage just underneath there. And moving to the bow, both port and starboard bow loungers with secondary speakers up front. We've got a nice stepway all the way up to the bow, so if you have to get people on and off nice and easily. We have a big ski locker down on the floor. As well, moving back, we've got a built-in cooler here, so it's nice insulated well, or dry storage. More storage underneath this back seat, and as well as what we like to call the garage storage here in the back transom. Being this boat is an outboard equipped boat, you lose the bay for the inboard outboard, so you get a huge storage area. Alrighty guys, that concludes our tour of our 2019 SPX from Sea Ray. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us out at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson Geis with MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.